Okay, we got some videos to make. Let's do this. Okay. Stack of car parts. That's cool.
Nothing.
We got to make some more videos on my Focus, man. People are super stoked on that. What? Are you buying a car?
No.
Are you buying a car?
No. Yes.
You know, it's funny you're on Tempest.com. They're actually the sponsor for today's video.
So if you guys don't know what Tempest.com is, it's basically like cheating if you're looking for a good car deal. Now, I've used this for years to find my cheap car deals. And even if I don't buy a car off this site, I do research for hours every day just to see what the market's like. So let's say I want to buy the country's cheapest Ford Focus. You have one of those, right, Andrew?
Yes.
Okay, so you just go to Ford and just put in the model. Okay, Focus ST, that's nice. And within any mileage right here, and then we just hit search. And immediately Auto Tempest pulls up all the major car listing sites on the internet. And in addition, you can hit this guy right here, and you can compare with all of Craigslist, not just your local area, so you can search the whole country for whatever cheap car you want.
20 grand, I know what I have.
Do you? Do you really?
No low ballers.
No tire kickers.
So does that mean that you're buying a Focus ST?
Oh, no.
Are you gonna buy a car?
No.
Oh, that's good.
I bought one.
Already?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's at the shop.
So let's go to the shop.
Let's go to the shop, but I gotta change my shirt first. This one's really sweaty.
All right, so Freddie has told me he's bought a new project car off of Craigslist, right? Which is where you get all the best project cars?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. You're really excited.
Hold on. Before you look at it, you're gonna love it.
Am I?
Yeah. You're really gonna like it.
I swear it better be an RX-7.
You might not love it. You're gonna okay.
Okay. All right, here we go.
It's over there.
All right.
Okay.
So it's under a car cover, so that's cool. Is that an intercooler I see?
It is.
Okay, all right.
Yes, it is.
You have my attention.
All right. So I present to you the new project car for the channel. Okay, hold on.
Yep. All right.
Jeez. Okay.
Yep. It's most of the car. Okay,
Look
but
at
like,
that.
what is this? Is this a 2+2 300ZX?
That it is, my friend. This is a 1990 300ZX Nissan with a not stock engine. This is an engine from a Q45. I think it's a 1990 or something.
Is this a VH?
This is a VH45.
And there's an intercooler. Why does it have an intercooler?
Don't worry about that. So, it's a really, really cool swap. I just picked it up and it looks fantastic.
Okay, so how much did you pay for this little nugget?
For nugget? This V8 masterpiece? How much do you think I paid for this?
I'm hoping you paid about $350.
What, like $350?
Yes.
Higher.
Oh God. $500.
Higher.
$1,000?
Higher than that.
Oh no.
Come on, dude. It's a 300ZX with a V8 swap. Come on.
I don't know.
Realistically.
How much did you pay for it?
$1,500.
What was that?
$1,500.
I'm sorry. Look, you're mumbling, and that's disrespectful.
$1,500. $1,500.
Okay.
Okay. So,
all right. But you know, it's a turbo V8. It's got an intercooler.
Not about that. Not a turbo.
But there's an intercooler.
I know. So this was a very ambitious project by the previous owner, and he was very ambitious because he didn't actually put a turbo in here. The intercooler's
or
there.
a hood.
The hood.
Headlights.
Well, okay. These are minor details.
What's it like on the inside?
Okay. So. Actually,
oh man, it smells like an ashtray. It smells like a Pizza Hut from the 80s. What is this?
Okay, so he did smoke a little bit, but I want you to take a look at the door. Notice anything interesting.
Yeah, there's a distinct lack of a door handle.
So get in.
I don't want to smell like that, so
Okay,
I'm gonna
all right.
pass.
Okay. So actually,
Oh, great.
I don't know how to get it.
Wonderful. So basically, this is a Dodge Viper.
It's the Dude, it's the Viper. The Viper had the same thing. This is basically just,
Great.
it's a Viper.
and how did the Viper turn out?
Okay, so look at all this. Look at this.
I don't know. I don't.
Look at what look at.
Oh, God.
Yeah. So it's a project. This is a project that we are gonna do on this channel because.
And when you say
wow,
we,
this smells really bad. Okay.
When you say we,
I mean me. So here's the thing. I really enjoy this body style. I've always wanted one of these. I didn't want the 2+2. The 2+2 is the longer one, and the 2+0 or the 2-seater has this over here, the gas tank, and it's a little bit shorter. It looks a little bit better. But I think we can make this into something really cool.
actually, you know what? I just had an idea.
What?
We can make this into a JDM muscle car.
Yeah, I could see that. I mean, it already has the V8 and it's already kind of poking out of the hood, the non-existent hood. But check this out. I want you to take a look back here. Come here. Look at that.
What is this?
Ooh, this is a center exhaust like a McLaren. Look at that, dude. These are twin 4-inch pipes.
Yeah, McLaren, this is like a McDouble.
This is it's a McChicken. Yeah. So okay, so it was made with definite Home Depot materials, but it's not bad. Another kind of supercar thing. Come around here. Come around here. Come on.
I'm gonna just
take it all in. Take it all in. I know.
I want to take it out. I want to take it out to the dumpster.
Dude, come on. It's not that bad.
Okay, you're right.
It is not that bad.
Fine.
It's pretty bad. But
What are we looking at? No more door handles.
look at that.
Oh,
Look at that.
is this a body kit?
That is not a body kit. This is a fiberglass custom-made inlet for something. I don't know. I think he was going to have a turbo in here, inside the car, like a rear mount, inside mount setup.
That's safe.
Really safe, but it looks okay. It doesn't look bad. It doesn't look like it was made poorly. Just kind of unfortunate. I mean,
Okay.
I wish it was kind of on both sides.
Okay, so my budget build senses are kicking in here.
Yeah.
This car needs a bit of work.
Not really.
I don't think we should keep these wheels. These are the Ray's wheels from
These are, yeah. So
from a 350Z.
I paid $1,500 for this car, and these wheels could probably get like $1,000 for these wheels.
So we should sell those and get some better wheels.
Yeah, and I think we can do. We'll have to talk about what we're gonna do with this project because right now it's just it's in a million pieces. Actually, speaking of a million pieces, come back here.
no.
I wanna pop the trunk.
Oh, I love this. Is good. The dashboard is the back seat now.
It is. Well, that's they did that in the '90s. You know, to save weight, you want all the weight behind the driver. That's how you go faster in the '90s, and that's all you have. The exposed wires. Those are
How you die faster in the 90s.
You do, yeah, you do. So actually, come around here. You can see. You can have a little bit better look. Oh, the door panel's on
go
this
ahead
side.
and just open that door there, brother.
Okay, there.
Oh, yeah,
Ooh.
the door panel is still there. And the door-mounted seat belt.
Yes.
Thank you, Japan.
Yes. So
Oh,
if
wow.
if you're driving and this comes open,
So it's a lot of-
you literally fall out of the car.
It's a lot of Home Depot parts, and we have most of the gardening section here with some gardening hose, it looks like.
Listen, man. Okay, I know you have jokes, but check out this exhaust. This nice flex section.
Yeah, but why? Everyone hates me right now. Well, hold up. Look at this.
Hold up.
This is basically a Miura. Look at the door.
It is. Look at. Okay, so you guys probably don't believe me and say this car's a piece of crap. Look at this. You want to talk about Viper? This is a Viper.
It's a Viper and a Miura.
Boom! Look at that.
This is the bull snake.
Better yet.
Oh, and it's a T-top.
That's right. I think so.
So it's the Snake T Bull Moose.
Ah, The roof comes off.
Okay, you know what? I'm starting to like this car.
Now it's cool, right?
I'm starting to like this car. We can really do something with this.
Okay, so here's the mods that it has. Sort of, the ones I see. So it has the engine, it has a custom adapter to go to the 5-speed manual transmission. I think that transmission might need a rebuild. Also, it has some coilovers that are non-adjustable, so I don't know why.
That's great.
Also has a bunch of eBay stuff for the suspension. Has this huge radiator
That's rad. All right, so pop the trunk. I see some boxes back here, and I want to know what's in those boxes.
There's extra parts.
But
Just extra parts.
But what kind of extra parts?
Just extra.
So literally just another part of Home Depot that's been shoved in this car.
Yeah, I don't know if there's animals living in here or what.
Hey, real quick, what is this and why is it in the trunk?
So, about that. Now, usually the heater of a car is in the front where the driver is. Mm-hmm. Heater is in the back because that is where the turbo was going to be. So that was going to be a cooling system for the turbo.
But it's a heater.
Yes, but it moves coolant. It's like it's a blower motor. And he put it back here and he wired it up and
That's actually kind of genius.
that is genius. That really is kind of cool.
Like, I feel like that's something we would consider doing.
Yeah, but like then you have nothing in the front. So
Well, it's Florida though, so why you don't really need a
yeah, but
heater.
you need AC.
Oh yeah, that's a thing.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
So we have this is what happens when you want to do a turbo, but you never actually do it. So there's a lot of wait.
Oh, is that a tile?
That is not a tile. This is a
It's an eBay.
This is a fake Gretty. It's a Freddy.
Definitely a lot of hot air coming out of that either way.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no. Oh,
Oh,
God.
Jesus. Oh my God. Oh, that was a mistake.
Yes, it was.
God, that was bad. Okay.
Do you regret your decision?
I regret everything I've done up to now. What is
Literally
this?
just a box of boxes. Keep going. Keep
yeah.
going. Really exciting content here. It's an unboxing video. Oh,
It's another box.
it's my box in that box. Oh, is it another box?
It is. No.
No. Okay.
It's some exhaust wrap.
Oh.
So I got some more here.
That's good.
Actually, wrap some of the stuff.
Or we could just throw it out because that holds moisture on your metal pipe.
That is true. So we have some exhaust stuff.
Great,
Also,
great.
I've noticed something since we're back here. If you take all this stuff out, is that exhaust connected to anything?
You know what? That is not. That is not connected to anything.
Yeah. Check out those welds. It's pretty good, right?
Wow.
Yeah, pretty
It's about
good.
as boogery as a preschool student's nose in the winter.
Yeah. So I think the dreams of doing a center exhaust on this car are lost. I don't think we're
I don't
gonna
know
do
about
it.
that, man.
You think we could do it? I'm not. I don't want to do it.
Yeah, you're right. I don't want to do that.
I don't want to do it because
then you have to cut into the car.
Well, no, I don't care about cutting into the car.
Well,
I care
I do
about
because this is
I care about carbon monoxide.
yeah
more than.
carbon. Anyway, what's in this box right here, Freddie? Please hurry. Well, we can change the subject, and I'm still ahead.
Okay. This looks like cruise control.
We could use these parts to make a Star Wars droid.
We can use these parts to put the car back together.
Oh, that works too.
And some AN fittings and
Okay.
stuff. That's actually not. That's not bad. That's not bad. Fuel injector clamps. Okay.
Good.
These look kind of important for things.
I want to hear this thing. I want to hear this V8 roar.
About that. So.
Wait. Okay, stop right there. Stop right there. Please don't tell me you just spent $1,500 on a car that doesn't run.
I'm not gonna tell you that. What's this? You want to hear it run?
Okay.
It's a little bit. Doesn't smell that great. Oh, there's a lot of frayed wires in here. Make sure it's a neutral.
Okay. Yep.
Okay. Hold on. I gotta put the key in. Okay.
Yep.
Right. Bing, 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 bing. The fuel pump's priming.
Okay.
You can hear it in the back.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that sounds pretty good. Oh, okay, all right. I don't want to I didn't want to have too much smoke in here because we have a closed garage and I'm a responsible adult. So this car runs perfectly, as you just heard. So,
all right, well, job done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next week on Wrench Every Day.
See ya.
So I think the main reason this car doesn't run is the fact that there is no battery.
You think? Actually,
yeah.
it's a little bit more than that. So the previous owner said that he rewired some stuff.
Oh, great.
Some stuff. And
well, like anyone knows, my favorite thing in the whole world is wiring.
So we could put a battery on it and see if it starts, but there's a real good chance that we burn something down.
Yeah, I think we should probably at least do an oil change.
Oh, the engine doesn't have any oil in it. It has Marvel Mystery Oil because it was sitting for a long time. This car sat for 3 years.
Great.
Virginia safety inspection expires in 2015. That's the last time it was driven.
Great. This is great.
Yeah.
This
right? That's what I said. That's what I said. That's the correct attitude. You are correct, sir. This is a great project. I love the fact that it has 2 radiator caps. And dude, I'm excited. I think this is going to be really good. So all this stuff, the cosmetic stuff, that's not really important because, come with me. I want to show you some of my stash. Don't mind the garbage. We're doing some remodeling here at the shop.
Oh, you're talking about the 300ZX in the back there too?
Well, come on, man. We're all trying to have a good time.
So you bought a car that has a blue interior?
No. We bought a car that has a blue interior. Okay, I bought a car that has a blue interior. I like the blue interior. I like the cloth. It's actually pretty nice. There's no rips in it, I don't think, but...
This is... We can't use...
It smells really bad.
Yeah, we can't use this stuff.
It smells really bad. I think we can clean this up.
No,
Matt Morman should detail this car.
This is a car that Matt Morman should not know exists.
Listen, I don't need your negativity right now, okay? So we have everything we need. We have all the lights, and look, there's a gauge cluster. And check this out. That tells everybody that you mean business. That is, there's the weapons and a skull, and okay. So we also have this. This is the center console, and we have a voltmeter and water and a mystery gauge, because sometimes life is a mystery, you know. So
we can put a gauge there that shows us how much money we've spent on this car.
Come on, man. You know what? You're not into it like I am. You have to. You got to get into it. Look at this. What is that?
That's part of a turbo.
That is a turbo. And it weighs 1,000,000 tons because this is a Hullset HE351, and it has this cool thing that I believe. Look at that.
It's a variable vane?
Yeah, variable vane, but you can never get these to work.
Is this a diesel turbo?
Yeah. Oh man. And the guy was gonna put it in the back of the car. A diesel turbo. These are super cheap. You could probably find these for like $100. Oh my God, they weigh so much.
So we could probably sell that for $100.
No, that's worthless. But it's cool to have. I asked him for every single part that he had, and it didn't matter what it was. So we got a bunch of cut brackets that don't really lead anywhere. Got a piece of wood for some reason, and there's a whole car here. There's a car here. This plus that equals one car. So I think we should kind of put it all together, and we're gonna have a project. What do you think? So Andrew, now that you've seen this awesome timepiece, this is a 90s time capsule. On a scale of 1 to 10, how good do you think I did?
I'd say a 9.
That's not bad.
0.1%.
Okay.
I'm excited. In all honesty, I am excited to hear this thing and drive it, and it'll be fun.
Right.
But can we not take 9 months with this project, please?
What are you trying to say?
All I'm saying is, next episode, we need to at least try to get this thing started.
I'll bring the fire extinguisher.